Today I'll be showing you how to use the Hollyland Lark M2 mic. I bought this mic from AliExpress for $92 and it's actually what I'm using right now. Like the voice you're hearing right now was recorded using the mic. I didn't even do anything to improve the audio. So I got the Type-C version since I use my phone to record my videos. So with that said, let's get into it. Alright, so this is a very easy mic to set up. First, open the case, remove the receiver, then remove one of the mics. You can use both of the mics if you have someone else in your video. Next, connect the receiver to your phone and wait for a bit until one of the lights on the receiver stops blinking. If you're using two of the mics, both lights will stop blinking. Alright, so you can see here that the light is green. This means the mic is set to noise cancellation. But if you press the yellow button on the side once, the light will turn blue. Blue is normal mode, so that means the mic will pick up environmental noise. The yellow button on the receiver can also be used to switch to the normal mode or voice cancellation mode. So after choosing the mode you want, the next thing you need to do is take the mic to your shirt. I've got my red shirt here. Take the mic and detach the magnet. Next, put the magnet under your shirt. You need to make sure the mic faces the direction of your mouth when you stick it to your shirt. After sticking it to your shirt, be rest assured that it isn't going anywhere. It stays well and it doesn't feel heavy. If you are like me and you use your phone to shoot your videos, open the camera app on your phone and double tap the yellow button on the mic. Your phone will start recording. And after you're done, you can double tap the yellow button again and the phone will stop recording. When you're done shooting your videos, you can remove the mic from your shirt, then remove the receiver from the phone and then place them into the case. The case charges the mics, but I don't think you need to charge the receiver. But if your phone is low and you want to record a video, you can actually connect the receiver to your phone and then connect your charger to the receiver so that you can charge your phone while it is recording your voice. At this point, I believe I'm done with wired microphones. Alright, thank you for watching. Hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe.